Hey, how's it going, my friends? I hope you're all having a wonderful and fantastic day, and welcome to a new segment I like to call, well, actually, I don't actually have a name for my segment yet, as I am planning out a new scheduled system for my channel. So I hope you stick around for that. Make sure you subscribe and like and comment if there's anything you'd like to come and see. But as for today, we are going to be doing an unboxing that I've been wanting to do for a while now. Because two things, actually, I've had this since November now when it was first released, and this is my, I guess, third actual copy of it, and I'd like to do a thorough, actually not really thorough, but an extensive review to tell you what happened with me and what happened with the product. Just kind of give you a more detailed explanation of what to expect, and you know, the type of customer service that you'll get with this product, as well as whatever comes to mind. I guess if you have any other questions, you know, just always comment below and I'll let you know. But yeah, let's dig into this. Many of you have actually probably seen this product or got this product. It's very old, November of 2019. It's now like April or whatever, but I mean, by the time I post this, it might be May already. Well, it will be May. So anyways, let's just dig into this. And let's open this package right up and you will see what it is. And you'll be like, oh my gosh, why am I here watching this boring ass video? Well, anyways, let's check out what we have here. I mean, I already know what it is. Okay, this was sent separate. Papers, don't need. Garbage, don't need. Okay, well, actually it's in a clear package because it was under warranty, and they did, I guess, just send me a new one instead, and this packaging isn't working out too well. But yeah, let's open it up. And there you have it. It is, you know, it's the GoPro Hero 8. So this is my third one now. Why? Let's go through some things. So the first time I bought it, I was going to make a review, like an unboxing, brand new camera, whoop-de-doo, here you go. Everybody knows how that goes on. Then I had it for about a month and a half, 2 months, and I went to use it. And there were times where I wanted to start filming right away, but the moment I turned it on, it gave me problems. Like, it wouldn't turn on is the problem that I'm saying. Like, it never gave me problems. It gave me problems in the moment when I was trying to film, like, action right away. I'm like excited, I'm turning it on, but it wasn't coming on. So I don't know why it was doing that, but when I came back from a holiday, I went to return it to the store, and they gave me a full refund. Brand new GoPro after that. Second time I went on holiday in like February, Marchish, and I took my GoPro, went snorkeling, and I had everything closed up tightly, you know, memory card was in, battery was in, it was closed up, everything was good and fine and dandy and ready to go. Went snorkeling, and water ended up getting inside the camera somehow, into the lens, and it ruined most of my footage. Thankfully, everything before that, and it was almost close to the end of the trip, so I had a lot of footage already that was saved, which is good on the memory card. But after that, I couldn't take any more footage, no more video, and I was really sad about that. But anyways, so I sent it back in, and they sent me now the new GoPro Hero 8 Black. Still the same one that I had. Well, I don't know if it's the same one, but it is a new one, obviously. They fixed up everything. So I'm gonna be testing this one out. Hopefully there's no more problems with it. Now we'll get back to you. Pretty sure it was the seal that had a problem. Something was wrong with it. I don't know exactly, but I'm hoping they fix this problem as well. Give you an extensive review on this. I've used it a couple of times when bungee jumping and when snorkeling, and you know, the picture quality is phenomenal. It's fantastic for such a small little thing, and the video quality is great. The stabilization is amazing. I love everything about this camera. I used to have the Hero 3 Plus. That one was fantastic, but there was no stabilization. Quality was great, and there was no screen. So the thing I love about this one is it has a screen, review my footage when I'm on the go, everything like that. And then I could delete it if I want to on the spot, and then I don't have to worry about it later if I screwed something up. And then, you know, microphone's so much better. I don't need to carry around tons of housings for like I had to for the Hero 3 Plus. For this one, it's all ready to go. Hopefully I'm gonna test this one underwater right away so that there's no problems with it, and I'm hoping it works perfectly fine, because I love this one. I love the stabilization. I love when you're running, gunning, you know, you're holding it. You can even be vlogging with this. Microphone's amazing. It works great. Get a lot of audio. Blocks out some of the wind, not everything, but it's a fantastic little camera. If you're looking to upgrade from like a 3 2, 1, you probably don't even have those anymore, or 4 or 5. Highly suggest it. 7 is a little bit of a cheaper model to get, but the 8, I just suggest, from the 7 to the 8, I'd suggest getting the 8 if you have the money. It's a much better build, higher quality, I'd say, in my experience. I prefer this one more. Has the built-in mount. Fantastic little camera. It's awesome. I don't know really what else to say about it. You all know what a GoPro is about. You know what it entitles. What else can I really say besides the 2 failures that I had? Hopefully there's another third. Customer service was amazing for sending me a new one. You know, send me a new battery. You know, props to GoPro for being responsive and supportive in their product. It's fantastic. I love that I got a new one, and I'm going to test it out, and hopefully there's no more problems. Like I said, I don't really know what else too much. I don't really know too much. I don't really know what else to really. Gosh, am I repeating myself? Whoa, look at that fancy ass car over there. Anyways, I don't really know what else to say. You should know everything about the camera. I mean, it's 4K stabilization, high quality videos, high quality pictures, stabilization, hyper smooth stabilization. Oh, I guess the only thing I could say is I'm not too happy with the battery life. The battery life drains really fast if you have the hyper smooth on, or even just the stabilization, because there's a basic and the stabilization and hyper smooth. Well, if you have everything off, it lasts a little bit longer, but I find that if you're using the stabilization and your high quality video HD shooting and everything like that, it drains the battery fast. I think I probably maybe had like 2 hours with the battery, and that's like, you know, if you want to turn it on and off. Like filming it, you won't get too much time out of it. I'd highly suggest getting another battery. Batteries do drain fast, and if you want to get a lot of shots or have it running for multiple times, carry a battery pack or something, extra batteries, or one of those portable charger things with the USBs, because then you could easily charge it on the go. But other than that, I mean, beyond the battery life, this little device is fantastic. If you want to start vlogging, I highly suggest getting one of these, and instead of a big, you know, Canon camera or whatever I'm actually using, I'm pointing back there, but it's right there. Instead of getting a Canon camera, you could get this and you start vlogging, you know, making live streams or whatever. It's directly connected to a GoPro app, and off you go, and you could start posting on your phone and Instagram and Facebook and whatever you want to do with that. Fantastic little camera. I'm gonna set it up and see how it goes, and if it ends up crapping out on me again, I'll probably make an extension to this video in the end. But beyond that, you know what the product's about, you know what it is. I came to tell you my 2 flaws with it, 2 problems. I wanted to share with you my experience and what I love about this camera, and I can't wait to be using it a lot more often. Definitely, I'm going to try doing some maybe more social media stuff with this, maybe some live streams or whatever, we'll see. Gotta connect it to the phone first, plug it in, and hopefully it works. I'm gonna check the waterproofing on it, and I'm praying that this one doesn't crap out on me again, because I don't want to wait for another one. That's it for SegiDuh's beautiful product review. I'm gonna come up with a name for this soon. I don't know when, but just stick around for that. I have a lot more products coming in. Got some lighting systems I'm going to be reviewing, and I got some light cams and backpacks, and I'm going to show you what I have in my backpack too that I carry around when I'm doing footage. That's about it for the review today. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, comment if you have any questions about the GoPro that you'd like me to tell you about. If you have any other things you'd want me to review, leave that down in the comments. And thanks for watching. I love you all. Thanks for subscribing, if you haven't yet, make sure you do. I know I'm saying that a lot, but please subscribe. It'll help me out a lot. It'll help me get a lot more products, and I can review them for you guys, because I enjoy doing this stuff for you. It's entertainment, and I'm hoping you guys enjoy. Have a great evening, night, morning, whatever you're doing at this point of night, and we'll see you next time, everybody. Cheers. Full video of me submerging my GoPro Hero 8 to test if it will get water inside, as this has happened to me before. I'm just filming this for precaution, just in case I need to give it back again for another warranty exchange. So here goes nothing. I'm gonna dunk it in, hold it in for a while. Hopefully it doesn't take on water like it did before, and we can continue to use this. So here goes the test. Here we go. It's fully locked and sealed, as you can see. I mean, nothing there. The door is closed, battery's in, my SD card's in, so let's give it a quick tester and see if it ends up flooding the screen. No bubbles so far. So far so good. We're gonna let this dry and see if anything has gone in. See startup. So drop it on the screen. It's working good. Seems like it. No water failure this time. Just some water on the outside, nothing on the inside. Looks good. Now to let this dry.